Muslim Millionaires 2.0 is here. Not officially, the official launch date is the 1st of September 2023. But in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what is Muslim Millionaires 2.0, who's it for, and why you as a young Muslim man should care. Look, as men, we have a role as the protector and the provider of our families. But the vast majority of young Muslim men are being brainwashed by the Dajjalic system. They have lost their drive and their ambitions to earn and provide, and they become selfish. They neglect their families and they do not carry themselves in the manner as a true Muslim man would. And when we hear stories of our ancestors, a sense of shame builds up because we are nowhere near the level that they were at. We're lazy, we're weak, we're unambitious, and ultimately we are slaves to our desires. And Muslim Millionaires 2.0 is here to fix that. For less than £1 a day, for literally less than £1 a day, one single pound, you have the opportunity to take back control of your life. The chance to learn multiple high income skills that can free you from this Dajjalic system and allow you to start building halal wealth. And yes, money causes problems, but it's the lack of money which causes most of the problems. And when our money is not halal, there's no barakah in it. So how can we then have the audacity to expect blessings from Allah in our lives? If you're a young Muslim man who is lacking a sense of brotherhood and you have a desire to become the best possible version of yourself to ever exist, then you need Muslim Millionaires. And with MM 2.0, our new and improved platform is only going to make your journey to becoming a successful Muslim entrepreneur so much easier. You can connect with many young successful Muslim entrepreneurs, and you have access to over 20 plus halal methods to make money online. And with our supportive network of young brothers all on the same mission, you will become unstoppable. And if all of that sounds good, there's a link in the description for you to check out. Break free from the Dajjalic system and join Muslim Millionaires.